Respect. Everybody thinks they deserve it, but have you done what you need to do in order to earn it? Respect is something that is built over time through your actions, through your habits, and through the behaviors that you choose to do on a daily basis. Today, guys, I'm going to go over some of those behaviors that automatically make other people respect you. Number one, you communicate well. Communication is one of those things that automatically makes people respect you more or less. If you're somebody that is using a bunch of filler words like, you know what I'm saying? Automatically people lose respect for you because you sound ignorant. If you're somebody that is cursing or using profanity on a regular basis, this also makes people not respect you. You seem unintelligent and stupid. But it's not just what you say verbally, it's also what you say digitally, all right? How you text, how you post, what you're saying, all right? When you're posting things on social media or emails that you're sending. Guys, you gotta up the game. The beautiful thing is that you can practice and you can get better, but it takes you undoing some of the bad habits you've developed. Number two is that you've got a nice physique or body. You've got muscularity and you're not overly fat. When I see somebody, and I'm just being honest, and they are like kind of sloppy, it automatically makes me lose a little bit of respect for them because I know that they don't take care of themselves and value themselves the way that you should. But when I see somebody that's got a nice physique or a low body fat percentage or muscularity, I automatically know that this person respects themselves and takes care of themselves physically. Which brings me to number three. You're dressed well and you're well groomed, all right? If you're sloppy, if your grooming is whack, if you got a bunch of boogers or nose hair, or you're just nasty, automatically my respect level drops for you. But on the flip side, if you're somebody that is well groomed, that has great hygiene, I automatically am going to respect you more. Same thing with style. If you're somebody that is dressed well, I automatically feel like you take pride in your appearance, all right? But on the flip side, if you're somebody that dresses like shit, I automatically am like, whatever. You're sloppy, you're lazy, I'm not wasting my time on you. Number four is being tough, being resilient. The truth is, life is gonna punch you in the face. It's gonna happen. Take it off the table. How you handle yourself, how you handle it, and these events is going to dictate how much respect I'm gonna have for you. All right, people that are tough and strong emotionally and mentally can handle the blows that life throws, gentlemen, these are people that are gonna overcome adversity. These are the people that other people are gonna look at and respect. The other thing I need you to do is respect yourself in terms of stand up for yourself. Do not allow other people to treat you poorly. Do not allow other people to disrespect you or someone you love. And always stand up for the little guy. The next thing is you've got good manners. All right, manners are one of those things that unfortunately, it seems like people aren't teaching anymore, right? Saying please, saying thank you, saying yes sir, yes ma'am, opening the door for somebody that's behind you to let them walk through first. Gentlemen, manners matter. You got to understand that if you're somebody that's not paying attention or you just don't respect other people, how the hell do you think they're going to respect you? The truth is they're not. They're also not going to respect you if you're broke, which brings me to the next thing that automatically makes other people respect you, and that is being financially stable. I didn't say killing it and monstrously rich driving a Lambo, but stable. Gentlemen, I can tell you from experience, I've been broke and I've been not broke. Being not broke, a lot better. Not only do I respect myself more, other people respect me more. The worst part about being broke isn't about not being able to pay your bills or buy cool shit. It's what it does to your self-esteem and your confidence. It is literally impossible to feel good about yourself when you're stressed out about cash or money or how you're gonna pay your damn bills. Gentlemen, the truth is you need to get straight in terms of your finances. And it's not just one job. It's not a job, it's a side hustle. Every single one of you needs to start a side hustle this year, because if you've got all your eggs in one financial basket, if that basket drops, gentlemen, you're fucked. Instead, what I'd recommend is start a business. What I'd also recommend is start a white label product, all right? My white label product that I started 10 years ago is this, Pete and Pedro. This year, it's gonna generate me $10 million. I'm not saying that to brag, I'm saying that just to inspire you and to let you know it's possible, gentlemen. Now, Pete and Pedro started white label, but then over the years, as it's grown, it's become custom. And that's the thing, guys, I have created a free white label blueprint for you that's gonna walk you through step by step how to do what I have done. I'm giving it to you for free. I want you to steal it, and then I want you to do something amazing. Now, the other reality is that if you want a little more information, guys, I also created the White Label Empire course that's going to go granular. I'm talking deep, and I'm going to actually coach and mentor you on a weekly basis. There's a community that we've built that has been blowing up. It is unbelievable and inspiring. Guys, I'm going to link down below to that free video, that free information if you're interested. Here's the deal, all right? If you want to get started, it's easy. The lowest hanging fruit, gentlemen, in today's society is white labeling, right? It's a way to quickly, easy, and affordably start your brand, which is different than drop shipping. Drop shipping is basically you just sourcing other people's products and then trying to market them and sell them and keep the delta between what you're buying it from them for and what you're selling it for. Right now, the other reality is that in the course, the White Label Empire course, I do have a tutorial on how to do that if that's something that you want, because drop shipping basically has zero startup cost. But in my opinion, building your own brand, this is where the magic happens, because you can scale it, you can grow it, and you don't need a big social media following. That's what I've learned over the over 13 years and 20 businesses that I've had, right? I've learned tricks and secrets to where you can scale without actually having and being on camera. And I share that all in the course and community. Guys, anyway, long story short, if you're ready to do something amazing and finally get yourself in a great position financially, I want you to hit the link down below and go watch the video. I'm giving it to you. It's my blueprint for free. It's yours. I want you to have it because I know the power that happens when you actually feel good about yourself because you are financially stable. But like I said, if you want more, if you want mentoring, I literally take you by the hand and lead you around the speed bumps, the potholes, to help you avoid all the costly mistakes that I have made. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, this is the best thing I've ever done. It is an amazing course and the feedback has been insane. We've already gotten started, guys, and there are guys already that are starting to generate cash from their white label business. And the best part, you want to know the best part about being financially successful? It's not about being able to buy cool stuff and nice watches and nice cars and build million-dollar mansions. No, it's about what you can do for your family. You know, buying my mom a house, that was probably one of the best things I've ever done in my life. The feeling that I got from doing that, I'm not, once again, telling you that to brag. I'm just letting you know it's possible. All right, I was on welfare when I was growing up, and then I was poor my entire life. I always struggled and stressed about money. And if I can do it, you can do it, because I'm not that smart. But I have done a bunch of the legwork for you so I can actually help you get there faster and avoid all the pitfalls and speed bumps that I hit. Guys, bottom line is this: hit the link down below. Do not wait. Watch the free video. And if you want more, join the White Label Empire. Which brings me to the next thing that automatically makes other people respect you, and that is being willing to risk it for success. All right, now, the truth is most men will never realize their potential, and this I find devastatingly sad, honestly. And the reason why? It's simple, because they're scared. They're scared to take that chance or that shot or go after something that they want or they think of because of the fear of failure. They're scared of it not working out. And this I find tragic, honestly. Nothing great was ever accomplished because it was easy. And the other reality when it comes to success, it's not a straight line. You're gonna need to fail. You're gonna need to fuck up. You're gonna need to make mistakes. It's the only way you can grow. And what I want you to do, gentlemen, is just think. I want you to think about where you would be today. I want you to think back. When was the first time you thought about getting a better job? When was the first time you thought about starting that side hustle or that business or investing? When was it? 6 months ago? A year ago? 2 years ago? 3 years ago? Where would you be today if you took action then? That should scare the shit out of you. It should also depress you a little bit. The people that are going to succeed wildly in today's world, in today's society, gentlemen, aren't the people that are staying stuck and stagnant and waiting for something to happen. It's the people that are willing to take risks. My question is that you? If it is, let's get this done. Let's start. If it's not, then fine, but don't be mad at me in a year from now when you're still staying stuck and you're not happy with where your life is, gentlemen. The truth is, if you want respect, you've got to go out and you've got to grab it. You've got to earn it. When you do the things that you need to do in order to improve yourself, not only are you going to feel amazing about yourself, that your confidence is going to skyrocket, it's literally going to emanate from you. Other people are going to see it. They're going to notice it. When you see somebody that feels incredible about themselves, they've got confidence, they take care of themselves physically, their style is on point, their body is on point, they're strong emotionally and mentally, they take care of themselves, they stand up for themselves and other people, and they're financially successful, gentlemen, it's undeniable. The respectability level through the roof, but it doesn't mean you can't lose it. You've got to continue to do the things that you did in order to get there. You also need to live a virtuous life. If you're worried about what other people are doing, you're putting other people down for being different, or you're making fun of them, gentlemen, this is unacceptable and unrespectable. If you're a liar, if you're a cheater, if you're not willing to do the hard work, if you're looking for a handout, if you're somebody that is bitching and complaining about life's not fair, gentlemen, guess what? Nobody respects you because life, it's not fair. That's a reality. And the people that understand that, the people that go out and grab their destiny, these are the people that I personally respect.